Hi everyone, my name is Candice Laczko and I am a hairstyling instructor at MC College in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to work with two Artego Touch products to help you achieve an effortless looking beachy style at home. Let's begin. Both of the products I'm using today can be used on either damp or dry hair. You can choose to work with your existing natural texture or apply artificial wave or curl first. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to get a naturally undone wave texture using a 1-inch Marcel curling iron. I start by dividing the hair into 3 major sections: the nape, the back and sides, and a horseshoe-shaped section at the top of the head. Starting in the nape, take approximately 1 to 1.5 inch sections, hold the iron vertically, and clamp the iron a couple of inches from the scalp. Turn the iron away from the face 1 full turn. After the hair has warmed, release the hair. Now, where the curl ends, hold the iron horizontally and clamp the hair so it is positioned under the iron. Next, change the direction of the iron so that the hair is visible on the top of the iron. Repeat the sequence down the strand. Doing so will create an S wave pattern. Continue these steps throughout the remainder of the hair, working upward to the top section. After the waving is complete, shake the curls to soften and blend. At this point, the waves still look fairly structured. To achieve a more beachy feel, we need to add some irregularity and texture to the waves. This is where the importance of finishing products comes in. Firstly, we are going to start with Artego Touch Pure Waves Mousse. It is a non-aerosol mousse that contains cornstarch. This natural ingredient gently defines and shapes the hair without adding excess weight. It also gives added volume, flexibility, and elasticity to the waves. Start with a couple pumps of pure waves and rub it into the palms of your hands. Gently scrunch the mousse into the mid-lengths and ends of the hair, avoiding the roots. By adding the mousse to dry hair, it's going to soften the look of the iron waves, making them look more authentic and naturally irregular. I like to diffuse the hair gently for a few minutes to dry the mousse in. After the hair is dry, use the Artego Touch C-Style Spray. This spray is formulated with precious Provence salt crystals. It texturizes the hair, giving soft waves and natural volume. This sea salt spray is light enough to be applied roots through to the ends. I like to gently lift the hair for more even distribution. Start spraying from the bottom of the head, working upward. For added volume, tilt the head back when applying to the back and to either side when doing the sides. Continue shaking the hair as you're applying the product to achieve the amount of texture and volume you desire. And there you have it, a perfectly undone beach wave style that has the volume and texture of a day spent on the beach. Thanks for watching.